Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make your browser in ccode. To begin with, we create a project. Create an object and be sure to set it without textures. We create a rectangle. Set name, width, height. We set the position according to the y coordinate. Set the color. We create text. We set the position in the text. We create a web view. We type the shape to the events. Now when the finger supports, the object gets a text from the user. Create a new variable and name it URL. Встановлюємо посилання на WebView. We set the link to the WebView. First you need to delete the WebView and then create the WebView blocks. Well, that's all. The browser is ready, but it will not be created in the APK file. Thank you all for viewing and see you soon!